What's up, riders?
Hey guys.
Hey, so we are doing it. We are doing our cold night, overnight dingermadinger
Adventure.
adventure. So we're gonna try out the jet stoves. I made 2 of them. We didn't do the carving one. I didn't have enough time this week to carve. So we'll see how that goes. Brought some food to cook. Sorry, this road's kind of bouncy. Here, I'll actually pull over so we don't bounce everywhere. So we're gonna try out the jet stoves. We made us some food to cook over the jet stoves, kind of show you guys how it really works and prove to you that they really work. This is where we're staying for the night. This is our hotel. As you can see, all of our blankets back there, pillows. We didn't want to pack sleeping bags and all that because they're in the camper. We didn't want to pull them out of the camper. Plus, if we put the air mattress in here, it's just going to make it colder on us because of that air between us and the floor. So, we'll see how it goes. It's cold. Right now it's 34 degrees outside and the sun's not even down. We've probably got another hour before it starts to get dark, so we're going to start driving and get to where we're going. So, sit back and ride with us. We are here at our spot for the night, and it is cold. It's not too cold. We're 32 right now. It looks like it's dark, but it's not. It's what, 5 o'clock?
Yeah, about that.
About 5 o'clock. But this is where we're gonna be. We're gonna do our jet stove on this little stove over here. That way we don't get in trouble for having an open flame. All the snow here is frozen. That's why it makes a crunching noise. So, we're gonna hurry and get set up, and then we will take you guys on a tour of our crib. It's gonna be exciting. The crib is. I don't know about camping it, but the crib will be awesome. Oh, and we got a shitter right here. There's our shitter. We're right next to the shitter.
Woohoo!
So, should be pretty cool. Literally. Okay, so for the living quarters, come this way, come this way. Sorry if it's loud, I'll yell. We got the generator going. We've got a nice fireplace up top. We've got the 60-inch plasma screen TV with surround sound. We've got the Vera Wang collection bedding. I mean, that thing's like a feather. We got the patio right here. Come out here, you can sit and watch the sunset. So, we're gonna go ahead and get the tent bars, our little hangout area, up and going. So, we'll be back in a flash. Well, it's actually kind of comfy in here. We're inside the
You can't really see. Sorry.
Explorer. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see in here just because it's dark. Maybe we can switch to night vision here in just a few. But I mean, we've got our heater going. And if you guys are wondering, because I'm sure somebody's going to say something, this is not hot. The only hot point's right here, and it's not even hot at all. So there's no way it's going to tip over and start a fire.
Yeah, it's not close to anything either.
Even if it does tip over, it shuts off, so we're safe. We have a better chance of the generator blowing up than we do of this thing catching fire.
Let's hope not.
So, we're just going to kind of chill for the night, and like I said, we'll do one of the jet stoves for you guys. Go out and start this here in just a few. And and we'll cook us some dinner before we go to bed, and then we'll watch us a movie. So the next time you guys see us, we're gonna be hitting up the jet stoves, cooking us some grub.
Yum yum.
We just figured we wanted to come in here, chill for a minute, relax, just for a few, and I guess this is living, man. It's cold outside.
Yeah, it's definitely cold, but it's nice and cozy.
It's probably
in here.
dropped to 30 degrees, dropping quick. So, and if it does catch on fire in here, we do have exit strategies. We have an exit over here. We have an exit over here on my side.
We're covered.
We do have these windows that break out pretty easy. We might get a couple cuts, but whatever. So, we'll see you guys when we are doing the jet stove. I don't know if it's loud outside with the generator going, but if you guys are wondering why we have the generator, I've got gas in there I have to use up so I can store it for the winter time. So we figured, what the hell, we'll just run it tonight. So we'll catch you guys here in just a few. Okay, now that it's freezing cold outside, we doesn't get dinner going before it gets any more colder. So here's our lint. We're gonna stuff our lint in there. See, remember I told you I have a bag of it right here?
Comes in very handy.
And then these are the little pieces I chopped up earlier. Remember guys, this is just to get the fire going. Look, I was smart this time and I brought an extended lighter. Smells like laundry.
Does smell like laundry. Too bad we can't make a big one of those.
Yeah, we're just gonna let it warm up for a little bit in there. It smells like laundry.
Yeah.
It really does.
Smells kind of good.
Whoops. And haven't started working up our and we'll just keep pushing heat in there. And this is that, what was it, cedar?
Yeah. Maybe turn it towards me a little bit so the wind doesn't blow it out. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I'm trying to,
Oh,
I packed it too tight.
oh. Get that part in the bottom, or in the top, and kind of stir it around a little bit. There you go.
on it a little bit. There we go. Now we're cooking with peanut oil.
Mhm. Smoke coming up top. Blowing right towards us. Smells good. We're gonna smell like fresh linen. Cedar. With cedar on the side.
This is the hardest part, is getting it going.
What are we having for dinner tonight?
What are we having?
Sorry guys, I'm still sick. We are having chicken noodle soup. Okay, I'm gonna start coughing here in a minute. There we go. Oh, it was close. You know what they say, smoke follows beauty. Get up here. Adding more kindling.
Yeah, we'll add a
whatever
little
it's
bit
called.
more, just to get it going.
There we go.
Now we'll let that get hot for a sec.
Nope.
It's still going.
Yeah. Oops. Don't let that slide too far.
Alright, we'll let that get warm. Then we'll throw our food on there when we come back.
See you in a minute.
Okay, so we are going to have some chicken noodle soup. Put that in there. Put some water in there.
That's when you just flip up.
Did you already open it?
No. Let's see that.
Is that right?
Yeah,
There.
that's about that.
Alright, as you guys can see, we got our
Flame going.
You see the flame on it?
Not at all.
It's not.
Probably the water from the pan was dripping.
Oh yeah, I forgot there's water on that.
Water underneath. We had a little bit of snow on the pan,
Just a little bit.
so we'll start over, kinda.
Get all lightheaded.
again. Don't let it do it again. There's all the...
That's all pretty much off.
Back that up a little bit. That is so neat how it does that. I love it. How long do you think it's going to take for it to cook?
Probably 25 minutes.
Yeah.
So I'll always come back to it.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, so we've had this on for how long?
16 minutes.
16 minutes. We've got, well, we can't really see it because her light's in there.
Oh, sorry. Is that better?
No. It's got steam coming out.
Oh, there started to be a
Well,
boil
they're
right
boiling.
here.
And this is off our jet fuel stove. So we are going to go ahead and pull that off and eat it. Let's see if I can. Wait, leave your flashlight right there. Oh, go back. There. It's boiling pretty good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pull that off and we're gonna eat it. But let's take a look around here on night vision real quick. So if you can't really see much, never mind. There's the truck. We got all of our blankets pushed. We got the truck running so that way we got some heat when we go in there and eat. And we got that gal.
Hey guys.
Okay, well, we'll talk to you guys in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
What are you shaking your head for?
So, we were doing our dishes after we were eating our noodles, which were way good, by the way. The stove works amazing. But we were doing our dishes, putting the stove out, got the stove out, getting ready to get in and call it a night, put in a movie, and we had some headlights show up. The headlights happened to be the police. Apparently we can't camp here, so we had to pack up some of the stuff. He just pulled out a couple minutes ago.
You sat there and watched us.
So we got everything packed up, and I guess we're gonna call it a night, and we'll try it again. We'll find out where we can camp. I didn't know you couldn't camp here.
Yeah,
Not like we had a campfire or anything going.
Well, and there's no signs posted that you can't.
There's nothing posted. We're in a parking lot at Newton Dam. So if you're thinking about camping here at the parking lot, probably not a good idea. You can go across the dam to the camp spots, but it's so muddy over there. Good luck getting out. We actually were coming and we saw a truck chaining up to go pick up his trailer. His trailer was almost tipped sideways from the mud. So we decided we'll just call it a night, and we'll call this halfway camping through the night.
Yep.
And I don't even know what time it is.
I think it's only like a little after 8.
Yeah, it's not very late. So we'll do what we're supposed to. They say you can't camp here, we won't camp here. But we'll let you guys see how dinner went anyways. We'll call it a dinner.
Dinner date.
Dinner date. No kids, dinner date.
Yep.
At least we got to test it out a little bit. The back of the Explorer was actually very comfortable.
Very, very comfortable. A lot more comfy than what I thought.
And with that little stove that we had going, that little heater, it did pretty good. I actually real surprised. It wasn't hot. It was nice and warm, so
Cozy.
it was cozy.
It was cozy.
We kept catching ourselves dozing off. We had all those blankets underneath us. It was real nice. We're both so short that we fit back there pretty well. So, anyways, you guys have a good night. We're gonna go back home. Actually, should we go get a hotel?
Maybe we could do that. We got a sitter for the night, so
Maybe we'll go get a hotel. Walk in there smelling like burnt cedar
and laundries
and laundry. Anyways, you guys have a good night and stay safe. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye, guys.